Morning children. Now we are going to see about standard 4, the poem Be Honest. So in this Be Honest, Amma will often say, be honest all day. Still troubles make me fall. I want to be truthful to all. So Amma will often say, mother will often say, be honest, நேர்மையா இருங்க, honest all day. Still troubles make me fall. என்னதான் நம்ம கஷ்டங்கள் வந்தாலும் I want to be truthful to all. உண்மையாக தான் இருக்கணும். I want to be truthful to all. So, we will say this. Amma will often say. Amma will often say. Only four lines they are given. So, you can memorize the poem. Four lines. Amma will often say, be honest. நேர்மையா இரு. ஒவ்வொரு நாளும் நேர்மையா இருங்க. Be honest all day. Okay, then still troubles make me fall. எவ்வளோதான் நம்மளுக்கு கஷ்டங்கள் troubles தொந்தரவுகள் வந்தாலும் still troubles make me fall. Make me fall. I want to be truthful to all. நான் எல்லோரிடமும் உண்மையாக இருப்பேன். I want to be truthful to all. Okay, this is the first 4 lines of the poem. Truthful to all. Okay, Amma will often say, be honest all day. Amma will often say, often எப்போவும் சொல்லுவாங்க, என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க, be honest all day. தினமும் நேர்மையாக இரு. Still troubles make me fall. எவ்வளோதான் கஷ்டங்கள் நம்ம கீழே தள்ளினாலும் still troubles make me fall. I want to be truthful to all. நான் எல்லோரிடமும் உண்மையாக இருக்கணும். Second paragraph. Amma will often say, Amma will often say, what is saying? Be honest every day. Not only to all day. Be honest. ஒவ்வொரு நாளும். Be honest every day. தினமும் ஹானஸ்டாக இருங்க. Be honest every day. To say truth. To say truth when I am wrong. நான் தப்பு செய்யும்போது உண்மையை சொல்லணும். When I am wrong. To say truth when I am wrong. To say truth when I am wrong. I may have to be 18. So, கொஞ்சம் பெரியவனானதுக்கு அப்புறம் what you have to do? To say the truth. உண்மையை சொல்லணும். When I am wrong. நம்ம தப்பு செஞ்சாலும் உண்மையை சொல்லணும். I may have to be 18. So, Amma will often say, be honest every day. To say truth when I am wrong, I may have to be 18. Okay, this is the first 4 lines and this is the next 4 lines. To Amma. So, to Ammaக்கு நான் என்ன சொல்வேன்? To Amma, I often say. I often say, don't you hear them lie? Don't you hear them lie? Don't you hear them lie? Question mark. She says many may lie and go. She says many may lie and go. Many may lie and go, but honesty will help us grow. Will help us grow. Okay. So what she is telling? To Amma, I often say. Amma வந்து நம்மளுக்கு சொன்னாங்க first 2 paragraph. Now to Amma நீங்க என்ன சொல்றீங்க? I often say, don't you hear them lie? அவங்க போய் சொல்றாங்கன்னு தெரியுது இல்லையா? Don't you hear them lie? அவங்க போய் சொல்றாங்க. She says many may lie and go. யார் வேணால் போய் சொல்லிட்டு போகலாம். Many may lie and go. பட் ஹானஸ்டி வில் ஹெல்ப்ஸ் அஸ் க்ரோ. ஸோ உண்மையை சொன்னால் தான் நம்மளால் மேலும் மேலும் வளர முடியும். பொய் சொன்னோன்னா பொய்க்கு மேலே சொல்லிகிட்டே இருக்க வேண்டியிருக்கும். ஸோ டூ அம்மா ஐ ஆஃபன் சே, அம்மா கிட்டே என்ன சொல்கிறேன், எல்லோரும் பொய் சொல்கிறாங்களே, மற்றவங்கெல்லாம் பொய் சொல்கிறாங்களே, நீ தெரியலையா உனக்கு, டோன்ட் யூ ஹியர் தம் லை, தெரியுது பொய் சொல்கிறாங்க. ஷீ சேஸ், அதுக்கு என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க, மெனி மே லை அண்ட் கோ, எல்லோரும் பொய் சொல்லிட்டு போகலாம், ஆனால் நீ என்ன பண்ணணும், ஹானஸ்டி ஒன்லி ஹெல்ப்ஸ் அஸ் க்ரோ, நம்ம உண்மையாக இருந்தால் நேர்மையாக இருந்தால் தட் வில் ஹெல்ப்ஸ் அஸ் க்ரோ. At last, this is the fourth paragraph. At last, I have this to say. I have this to say. I don't lie to this day. To this day. The trick is the rhyme. The trick is the rhyme. Let's try this. Let's try this. One day at a time. Let's try this. One day at a time. So at last I have this to say. கடைசியாக அவனுக்கு வந்து சொல்ல இருந்துதான். என்ன சொன்னால், I don't lie to this day. ஸோ இன்றைக்கி நான் போய் சொல்ல வேணாம். I don't lie to this day. The trick is the rhyme. அதில் என்ன ட்ரிக்கு, இந்த போயம் சொன்னாங்க இல்லையா, ஒரு நாள் ஹானஸ்ட்டாக எதிர்பாரு. ஸோ the trick is the rhyme. Let's try this one day at a time. ஒரு நாள் இதை ட்ரை பண்ணி பார்ப்போமே, ஒரு நாள் முழுக்க நம்ம ஹானஸ்ட்டாக இருந்து பார்ப்போமே அப்படின்றது போயம். ஓகே. To Amma I often say, don't you hear them lie? She says, many may lie and go, but honesty will help us grow. At last I have this to say. லாஸ்ட் என்ன சொல்கிறேன்னா, I don't lie to this day. சரி, இன்றைக்கி நம்ம போய் சொல்லாமல் இருக்கலாம். I don't lie to this day. The trick is the rhyme. Let's try this one day at a time. Okay children, very easy poem, easily you can memorize. So once again I'll repeat the poem. Amma will often say, be honest all day, still troubles make me fall, I want to be truthful to all. Amma will often say, be honest every day, to say truth when I am wrong, I may have to be 18. To Amma I often say, don't you hear them lie? She says, many may lie and go, but honesty will help us grow. At last, I have this to say, I don't lie to this day. The trick is the rhyme. Let's try this one day at a time. Okay? So like this you also can try this children. In this you got a meanings also. Often, frequently. அடிக்கடின்னு சொல்லுவோம். Troubles, difficulty or problem. Lie, false statement. Grow, improve. Trick, that is the technique. And rhyming words is also there. So we will write this one now, meanings and everything. So copy down children. So in this you got to learn the meanings, everything is here. Yeah. So for poem meanings, glossary. So I can write here glossary. Page number 72. So memorize the poem children fully. If you are able to memorize fully, easy means you can memorize. Often. Frequently. Often, frequently. Second one, troubles. difficulty or problem. Difficulty or problem. Next, lie, a false statement. Lie, a false statement. Grow, that is improve. Grow means improve. Then fifth one, trick. Trick, that is the technique. Okay. So often, frequently. Troubles, difficulty or problem. Lie, a false statement. Grow, improve. Trick, that is the technique. Now match the rhyming words. Same page only. So match the rhyming words. So I'll write the straight answer. Say, all, go and rhyme. Here they are given grow and time, day, fall. So say, day, all, fall, go, grow, rhyme and time. Next is the fill in the blanks. Here fill in the blanks. Only 3 they are given. Same page only. Dash will often say to be honest. Amma will often say to be honest. Okay. Then second one. We shouldn't dash ever. We shouldn't lie. We shouldn't lie ever. Third one. Many may lie and go. Many may lie and go. Many may lie and go. So this is the glossary, match and fill up. Now we'll move on to the answer the questions. Answer the questions. What makes him fall? What makes him fall? What makes him fall? எது அவனை கீழே தள்ளும்? Troubles make him fall. Answer is troubles make him fall. Okay, troubles make him fall. The next one is, what does Amma often say? What does Amma often say? Amma, answer is Amma often says, thus on the answer says should come. Amma often says, to be honest every day. To be honest every day. Okay. What will help us to grow? What will help us to grow? Honesty. What will help us to grow? Answer is honesty will help us grow. Honesty will help us to help us grow. Okay. Now the fourth one, shall I rub this? I'll rub these meanings so we can write. Fourth one, what will help you to say the truth? What will help you say the truth? What will help you say the truth? Answer is honesty. Honesty will help you say the truth. Then, fifth one, do you tell the truth always? Do you tell the truth always? Do you tell the truth always? Yes. Why? They are asking the question, why also? Answer is, you have to write like this. Yes, I will tell the truth always, because truth leads us to success. Okay. So 5 questions is here. Okay. What makes him fall? Troubles make him fall. What does Amma often say? Amma often says to be honest every day. What will help us grow? Honesty will help us grow. What will help you say the truth? Honesty will help you say the truth. Do you tell the truth always? Why? Yes, I will tell the truth always because truth leads to the success. Okay, truth leads to success. So these are the 5 questions, and then the meanings also I have given. Okay, now here in this we are going to see about the book exercise, that is about the a, and, the. What is this? A, and, the. Now let us know page number 73. That is, we have learned to use a, and, the. So we are going to say this only. Can you try to fill in the blanks with a, and, they? So here they are given ball, ink, sun, owl. So we can use a. The words are known as articles. These words are known as articles. A and the. These are known as the articles. Now let us learn how to use them again. So we use an எப்போ யூஸ் பண்ணணும்னா before the words that begin with the sounds. An is used before the words. Before the words. எந்த word அப்படின்னு பார்த்தாக்கா before the words that begin with, அது ஆரம்பிக்கணும். That begin with and is used before the words that begin with the sounds of A, E, I, O, U. So இந்த vowelsக்கு முன்னாடி தான் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணணும். Can you understand children? And வந்து எங்க யூஸ் பண்ணணும்னா is used before the words. ஏதாவது வேர்ட்ஸுக்கு ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகிற முன்னாடி பிகின் ஆரம்பிக்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி AEIOUன்னு எந்த வேர்டு அது ஆரம்பிச்சதுன்னா அதுக்கு நம்ம and யூஸ் பண்ணணும். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஆப்பிள் இருக்குன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. டேஷ் ஆப்பிள், டேஷ் அம்ப்ரெல்லா, dash orange, dash hour. ஓகே, ஸோ இது வந்து ஏல ஆரம்பிக்குது இல்லையா ஃபஸ்ட் லெட்டர், அப்போ an apple. அதே மாதிரி யூவில் ஆரம்பிக்குதா an umbrella, ஓ and hour. இந்த ஹவர்னு வரும்போது அது we use and for hour அப்படின்னாக்கா அது hour sounds like ox and orange. ஓ சவுண்ட் வருது, hour, புரியுதா? அவர், ஓ, அப்போ ஓ சவுண்ட் வருதால we have to put an hour. யூனிவர்சிட்டி, அப்போ யூனிவர்சிட்டிங்கும்போது யூ, ஸோ தட் இஸ் UA, the A for university. So you have to use university வரும்போது it starts with a U letter. It sounds as a yellow or yak, university. அப்போ U, அப்போ yellow, Y sound வருதால so we use a university. Can you understand? So like this only we have to put the words. And then ஏக்கு எங்கெங்கே யூஸ் பண்ணணும்னா when we already know that A should be used for the beginning of the yellow or an arc. York. So we use A. So AEIOU வந்தால் மட்டும் and யூஸ் பண்ணுங்க. Other sentences வரும்போது we can use A. That is book, dash book. Okay, yeah, dash book, dash chair, dash pot, dash flag, dash unicorn. The unicorn வரும்போது Y sound வருதால a book, a chair, a pot, a flag, a unicorn. So we have to use A. But dash ant, okay, dash and in அப்படி வரும்போது you can write an ant, an in. Okay, and the எங்க யூஸ் பண்ணா we already know that the is used to talk particular thing. The is also used before the names of unique things. Names of unique things. Things like mountains, rivers. Okay, mountains, rivers, lakes, like that. In the unique things formula, the use பண்ணு. The mountain, the river, the lake, the waterfalls. Mountains வரும்போது the Himalayas, rivers, lakes, waterfall வரும்போது the Vaigai, seas and oceans, the Indian Ocean. அப்புறம் famous book, the திருக்குறள். Islands, Andaman and Nicobar, the Andaman and Nicobar Island. Directions, the east. So like that you have to write. என்ன பண்ணணும்? The east. Then the Himalayas. The Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean. Then the Tirukkural, the famous book சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா, திருக்குறள். ஸோ இந்த யூனிக் திங்ஸ் இந்த மாதிரி வரும்போது they Andaman and Nicobar Island, the Andaman and Nicobar Island. Okay, the and then the east, directions, the 4 directions அப்படி வரும்போது directions, the east. So like this the unique things வரும்போது the யூஸ் பண்ணணும், AEIOU வரும்போது and யூஸ் பண்ணணும், ரிமைனிங்க்கு A யூஸ் பண்ணுங்க. Okay, so this is the exercises you are having in your for this use and be. This is from the page number 73 and 74. And now we'll move on to the one exercise is there. So we will write this one. Able to understand how to write this? Okay, now we will see. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with a, an, and the. Okay. The. Page number 75. Here, dash earth goes around dash sun. So the earth, unique place things in here, the earth goes around the sun. Second one, I bought dash pair of shoes. ஸோ இங்கே வந்து முன்னாடி எதுவுமே வவல்ஸ் எதுவுமே இல்லை இந்த நவுனில். ஸோ யூ புட் யா. தென் தேர்ட் ஒன், ஐ ஆம் டேஷ் யூனிவர்சிட்டி ஸ்டூடெண்ட். யூனிவர்சிட்டி வந்தாக்கா யூ ஒய் சவுண்ட் வருது சொன்னேன் இல்லையா. ஸோ யூ ஹேவ் டு புட் யா யூனிவர்சிட்டி ஸ்டூடெண்ட். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், கிரண் sails dash Indian Ocean. Kiran sails in dash Indian Ocean. So ocean unique name வரும்போது you can write the. Then fifth one, dash camel is the ship of dash desert. A camel is the ship of the desert. Unique places you have to put dash. Dash Jungle Book has won many awards. The Jungle Book, okay. And then seventh one, Harichandra was dash honest king. Honest. அப்போ honest வந்து O sound வருது இல்லையா. அப்போ an honest king. Eighth one, I met dash boy in the street. That is a. I met a boy. The ninth one, she returned after dash hour. So dash hour வரும்போது an hour. No sound is coming. No. I read dash amazing story yesterday. I read A வந்ததால் an amazing story yesterday. Okay. So this is the exercises we have to see. So far we have completed. So fill in the blanks with A, an, and the. Dash earth goes round dash sun. The earth, the sun. Unique things. I bought dash pair of shoes. A pair of shoes. I am dash university students. I am a. Kiran sails in dash Indian Ocean. The dash camel is the ship of dash desert. A camel is the ship of the desert. Dash jungle book has won many awards. A jungle. Harichandra was dash honest king. Honest H வருது and. Honest வரும்போது O sound வருது. You have to put an. I met dash boy in the street. A boy. She returned after dash hour, an hour. I read dash amazing story yesterday. I read an amazing story yesterday. So go through this children, copy down everything. This is over. We will see in the next class.